Thank you for joining in today. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so then you can get notifications on all my new weekly art lessons. And today's video, I have another little preview of one of my Skillshare classes. This was a new class coming up, and it is going to be how to create some like a still life painting here with the watercolors and some nice pretty fall flowers. Lots of like yellow and orange and like a bit of a rustic feel here for, again, the fall season. I will go over the drawing portion in the beginning and then show you step by step how to create your watercolor painting if you're interested. I will leave a link in the description down below. I also have many other watercolor classes available, so you can feel free to check that out. And thank you so much for watching.